Yeah, we're planting garlic. Maybe this is 150. Yeah. I think this one is 150 left. That's our garden bed. Tired na akong asawa. Siya ang nagtanom sa garlic. And check how much we still have potato. Because we dig the earth before we plant the garlic. So still we have this much. And si Remy ang nagtanim. Si Loin? Bye. File sulma sa piap lot kuti. Ganyan. Ganyan kami magtanim ng garlic namin. Malapit lang naman. Ayan. Para mabilis kaming matapos. After nyan, lagyan namin ng takip, dahon ng mga maple tree doon, oh. Ganyan po. Yan mga bes.